There's a brand new article that just dropped on Business Insider talking about why so many Uber drivers are quitting, and quite frankly, they just revealed the truth about this gig and why so many drivers, are just fed up with how little Uber is paying them, and how a lot of people are now coming out and saying that, look, Uber should owe drivers millions and millions of dollars in unpaid fees because of just the whole situation going on. So I'm gonna read this article to you guys because this is outstandingly wild news. Before I do, I wanted to tell you guys about an incredible opportunity to start making money right here on YouTube through the Faceless YouTube channel method, which is something that I've been doing for around 5 years now. Doing YouTube and the Faceless YouTube channel method has allowed me to buy this house that I'm sitting in. It has allowed me to be able to, spend the day at the beach today and still make money passively while I'm hanging out with friends at the beach, having a drink, And I've actually been able to generate, look at this guys, on one single channel, over $10,000 per month. I'm just pulling up my AdSense here. And so far in this year alone, look at this, $56,000. Again, this is on one single YouTube channel. I have several channels, if it will focus. That's $10,000 per month, and if I just go to last year, look at this, over $120,000. That's over 10,000 bucks a month. And right now I'm teaching. I just launched a video down in the link below. Once you sign up for a 30-day free trial for my membership, you'll get access to that hour-long tutorial on how to set up your own Faceless YouTube channel and how to start making money, monetizing, etc. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme though, okay? This is not like by next week you're gonna be rich. This is a long-term thing, and you probably won't even make money for the first month or two, just being honest. But I will teach you and guide you. You can join our group chat too, and I'll help you all along the way to hopefully help change your life. It really changed mine. So yeah, hope to see you down there. If you'd like, you can join a 30-day free trial, cancel anytime if you don't like. But now let's listen to this, okay? A full-time Cleveland Uber driver was interviewed by Business Insider, and they came out and exposed the truth about Uber. He took home only $17,000 in 2023. He's a full-time driver. He only made 17 grand. What's 17 divided by 12? He made $1,416 per month. 1,400 bucks. Is that enough to live off of? It's not. It's simply not enough. You cannot pay rent. You cannot pay for your car. You cannot pay for groceries with 1,400 bucks. He says the full-time gig is not worth the money anymore. There's a recent study that just came out. Uber drivers last year in 2023, they made 15% less than they had in previous years. So inflation and the cost of living is going up and up and up thanks to Joe Biden and Bidenomics, whatever you want to call it, and people like Gavin Newsom, who, they're raising the minimum wage just now 20 bucks an hour for fast food workers in California, which is absolutely absurd. So that's affected me because I have people who work for me, and now I got to pay them more because if I don't, then they could just go quit and leave and go work at McDonald's. So it's all affecting everything, right? Because think about this. The cost of food is going up, the cost of wages are going up. I have to pay my workers more money because they could just leave. Uber, on the other hand, they're not paying more money, they're actually paying less. So why are drivers still working for them? Well, they're quitting. A lot of them are quitting. They're quitting because it's quite simply not enough. You cannot live off 17,000 bucks in a single year working full time. He says he's tried a variety of driving strategies, but that none have made much of a difference. Safety concerns are another reason he's considering quitting. That's another thing. Driving for Uber is a dangerous activity. You're gonna be spending a lot of time on the road, and the more time you spend on the road, the more at risk you are of getting into an accident and dying. And there's also a lot of crazies on the road too. Crazy passengers too, who could get into your car and rob you or steal your car. George, a full-time Uber driver in Cleveland, was once quite satisfied with his ride-hailing gig, but things have changed. Yeah, a lot of Uber drivers, you know, this guy started, he's 40 years old, he started in 2017. That was, what, 7 years ago? Back when he was 33 years old, now he's 40. And now he's considering quitting and becoming a truck driver. You could not pay me enough money to be a truck driver, okay? I'm sorry. Pay me 500 grand a year? No. $1 million a year? No. I'm sorry, I will not drive a truck. Maybe 2 million a year. I don't like driving cars to begin with. I wouldn't even drive for Uber right now, especially not. But I think there's way better ways to make money, like the Faceless YouTube channels. I mean, that's something that changed my life. There's way better ways to make money, especially with the internet right now, guys. There's so many opportunities. You can make money on TikTok. I make thousands of dollars a month off TikTok. I mean, come on, that's crazy, right? I used to sing praises of Uber and recommend doing Uber to people looking for a business opportunity and one where a decent income can be made, but no longer, said George, whose identity is known to Business Insider, but he asked to use a pseudonym due to his fear of professional repercussions. Yeah, Uber actually has deactivated drivers for coming out and speaking, so he wanted to use an anonymous name. And I want to ask you, do you think Uber's going down in pay? And have you considered quitting and maybe going to work at McDonald's? I don't think it's a bad choice right now, because a lot of Uber drivers right now, they ain't making 20 bucks an hour after expenses. So why not go work at In-N-Out and make that? So anyways, let me know your thoughts down below. And again, if you want to sign up for my Faceless YouTube channel program, you can start a 30-day free trial that will be ending very soon. I'm just opening it up because I want to get a lot of people on board because it's new. So take advantage of that 30-day free trial. You cancel at any time, but I hope you don't, because doing Faceless YouTube channels has changed my life, and I know it can change many of yours too. Okay, I used to work tons of minimum wage jobs. I grew up in a single family household. Neither of my parents ever owned a home, and I was able to buy my own house doing Faceless YouTube channels. I've made, you know, in one channel over 10 grand per month. It's crazy, guys, but it works. It works, and I want to help you guys out. So join my program below. Join the group chat. I will guide you. I'll give you feedback. I'd love to help you out. And yeah, so check that out down below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.